take a deep breath in and breathe out, releasing all the tension and stress from your body as you breathe into your body, into the moment. With every breath, breathe in, I am alive. With every exhale, I release. Releasing, relaxing, arriving into your body, landing into this moment. And as you connect to your breath, feel the energy in your body beginning to flow. Become aware of the sensations in your body. Become aware first of the sensation of your breath, the feeling as it moves through your nose, down through your airways, into your belly, expanding your belly. Notice that as you connect with your body more, you may notice tingling around your body as your energy starts to circulate. Connecting into your body's wisdom and asking your body right now, what do you need? What do you need from me? It may be to breathe. It may be to move your body. It may be to be still. But open up and listen to your body. Our bodies are beautiful things, and we need to give thanks for these beautiful vessels that are here to support us and help us achieve our purpose. These beautiful vessels that are here to help us connect with each other and open up to the love that is within us and all around us. So by asking your body every day what it needs from you, you start a journey of love and discovery with yourself. So take a moment now and breathe in love for your body. With every breath you take, breathe in love to every cell in your body, love for everything that your body does for you. Giving thanks and gratitude to your body. Not thinking about the things that don't work so well in your body or the aches and pains, but giving thanks to everything that does work in your body. Giving thanks to the beauty that is your being. And feel that love for your body expanding. For when we can feel that love and that gratitude for our being now, it helps our relationship deepen with ourselves. And it's only through that deepening relationship with ourselves, that love for ourselves, that we can allow that love to expand out. So as you feel the love for yourself expanding, feel it expanding out to all those in your direct family, to all those in your local vicinity, to all those around in the world. Feel that love expanding out and growing. And as that love flows, so the healing grows within your body. That beautiful healing energy that only love can bring. As we open up our hearts to ourselves and each other, as we open up our hearts to the love of the earth. And it's like a beautiful flower opening up unfolding, a beautiful rose opening its petals out to that beautiful magnificence that is you, the beautiful divinity that is you, that is each one of us. Feel that expanding out, that beautiful flower blooming. And hold that flower in your heart, knowing that is you. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.